Pharynx open into the anterior wider part of trachea is called larynx. The opening is called glottis. Opening of this larynx is called glottis. A small leaf-like flap over the glottis is called epiglottis. This epiglottis, during swallowing food, it prevents the entry of food and water in respiratory tract. When at the time of swallowing food, it allows the food through only esophagus. The flap-like epiglottis prevents the entry of food into respiratory tract. Incomplete covering by epiglottis during swallowing food causes coughing. Internally, larynx contains two vocal cords which vibrate when air passes in between them. The vibrations are converted into speech with the help of palate, buccal cavity, tongue and lips. Position of larynx is indicated externally in males in the throat region by protrudence of Adam's apple. After larynx, it is a tube-like structure that arises from the base of the larynx, passes through the neck, reaches up to middle of thorax. Trachea is approximate length 10 to 12 centimeters and 2 to 3 centimeters breadth. It is supported by incompletely C-shaped cartilaginous rings. Internally, trachea is lined by ciliated and mucus secreting epithelial tissue for trapping fine dust particles and microbes and pushing them towards the anterior end through breathing of cilia. This trachea again subdivided into two branches. These branches of trachea are called bronchi. Trachea divided into two branches. These are short, but the right one is the straight and the left one is little bit oblique in nature. Each bronchus enter into lungs of their sides and also further gives rise branches. The further branches of these bronchus are called branchiole, which enter into lungs. Lungs in human body, they are pair of pinkish to grayish, conical, spongy and elastic sacs that are called as functional units of respiratory organs. Lungs occur in the thoracic cavity. Thoracic cavity, one on each side. These are in pair. Those are broader on lower side and rest over the diaphragm. These lungs are covered by a membranous structure is called pleura and they form a fluid-filled thin sac called pleural sac. This pleura and pleural sac together protects the lungs from mechanical shocks and injury, keeps the lungs surface moist and provides functionless movements in lungs in the thoracic cavity. When we observe these two lungs, the right lung which has 3 lobes and the left lung which contains 2 lobed structure, so that the right lung is little bit bigger than the left lung. Each lobe is further divided into internal segments and into lobules. The lobules receives bronchioles. The lobules further divided into large number of alveoli. Each lung which consists the fine air sac-like structures. These are million in number. Approximately 300 million of alveoli in each lung. Alveoli provides a large surface area for gaseous exchange, so that these are called functional unit of the respiratory system.